Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. This is Spear here. Yoo-hoo! Welcome to 2026 and it's another year to slay with Spear. In today's video, I'm doing two spike bond. Yeah, is that what it's called? I'm doing that with a side swap. It's very a simple style. You can do this for your friend. I mean, you know that girl time with your friend, you can do this stuff for her and she can also do it for you. And hey, you can share it with your stylist as well. He or she can whip this out for you. So all you have to do is just keep watching. So the front, I'm just weaving some parts of the front before packing the bag because I need to do like a few lines of sewing so that it will not be that flat. I don't want to use bonding, so that's why I'm weaving the front so I can sew in few lines, then use her hair to cover. So this style is really simple. Just keep watching and you will understand what I'm doing right here. It's very simple. I'll see you at the end of this video to sign out. So keep watching. You've got the spark, let it glow. Don't let the shadows hide your glow. The world is waiting, take your place. Show them the fire in your heart's embrace. Step into the light, let your voice be heard. You're a star, you're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no doubt, you're breaking through. This is your moment, it's made for you. Shine your light, let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable, you're a diamond in the night. Shine your light, let the world see you. You're a dreamer, and your dreams are coming true. You've got the power, let it rise. Every step you take, you light the skies. Don't let anyone dull your shine. You're a warrior and you're one of a kind. Step into the light, let your voice be heard. For the two knot, I'm not using any weavon. I'm just using a braiding extension. Then when packing this hair, I left some rope that I used to tie the two packing. I left some. Then that's what I used to tie the extension to the hair, then wrap the hair together with the extension and create my knot. So that's what I'm basically doing here. So I hope you like this video. If you do and recreate this style, please don't forget to tag me. Business page Spear _ makeover. That's for the makeup, and also you can tag me there. And on TikTok, I'm Spear Makeover. I'll see you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new here, subscribe. And thank you for joining us. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and Happy New Year to you all. Bye for now. You're a star, you're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no doubt, you're breaking through. This is your moment, it's made for you. Shine your light, let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable, you're a diamond in the night. Shine your light, let the world see you. You're a dreamer, and your dreams are coming true.